Good day guys, and welcome back again to our channel. Alright, in this video is the update about the ARICHAIN Discord registration. So I've seen a lot of people complaining. Some are not getting the link, some are not getting the keyboard on the Discord, and a lot more. So just kindly watch this video closely to see how you can finally solve your problem. And if you're on the channel for the first time, kindly turn on our notification and also subscribe to get all the latest updates. Alright, so you can get the ARICHAIN wallet here. Okay, so the link works for all of their social media handles. So you can simply come here or check the video description to get the link. Okay, now before then, the registration is going to close in 3 days. So you even have less than 3 days now. You can check from here. Okay, so you need to do this as soon as possible, and also share with your friends so that they won't be late. So click on the link here. Then you are going to select ARI Discord. You can see website, Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. So select the ARI Discord. So on the Discord here, you can see, if you are here, you can see you don't have the keyboard available here. So you just have to scroll up, or you can see what was already on the dashboard. Alright, so here's how the interface looks like, and you need to come down. So come down to ARI chat here. Alright, then click on it. So you're going to see the chat here. This is where people are getting from. A lot of people are dropping their messages in the channel, and that's not how it is done. So you can see my keyboard down here. Okay, and I'm simply going to click on it and input the slash button. Right, here's the slash. Okay, so then just you see ARI account registration bot. So you don't need to first send the slash. Okay, so once the slash is there, the registration bot is going to pop up, which is the first one. Okay, then click on it, then you send it. Then from there you can see to connect your EVM wallet address, Twitter handle, as well as ARI wallet. So you can see this form has already been submitted. I've submitted my own already. Okay, so I believe you know where to get your EVM wallet as well as ARI wallet and Twitter handle from. So if you don't know, I've made a video on how to do that. So you can check the channel or the next video after this to see how you can get your EVM wallet as well as your ARI wallet address. So from there you can click on submit, and if you also like to make any change, you can click on cancel here. Okay, so just click on this cancel here, then everything is going to be cancelled and you are able to submit again. So I hope it is useful. Don't forget, see you in the next one as well.